bisyo kami ay masaya. Limot na ang problema pagkasama ka. Gumaganda pa lalo pang pakiramdam. Ang sarap mong number one, yeah. Sa piling mo ka bisyo kami ay masaya. Limot na ang problema pagkasama ka. Gumaganda pa lalo ang pakiramdam. Ang sarap mong number one. Ang sarap mong number one. Ang sarap mong number one. Sa piling mo ka bisyo kami ay masaya. Limot na ang problema pagkasama ka. Gumaganda pa lalo pang pakiramdam. Ang sarap mong number one, yeah. Sa piling mo ka bisyo kami ay masaya. Limot na ang problema pagkasama ka. Gumaganda pa lalo ang pakiramdam. Ang sarap mong number one. Ang sarap mong number one. Ang sarap mong number one. Sa piling mo ka bisyo kami ay masaya. Limot na ang problema pagkasama ka. Gumaganda pa lalo pang pakiramdam. Ang sarap mong number one, yeah. Sa piling mo ka bisyo kami ay masaya. Limot na ang problema pagkasama ka. Gumaganda pa lalo ang pakiramdam. Ang sarap mong number
Maray na hapon mga kabisyo, kaiba na naman po nindo ang 99.1 Love Radio Naga. Para sa panibagong episode kang Love Local, nakaka-love, nakaka-local. Yes mga kabisyo, panibagong episode dahil ngunyan makakamit na naman kita ni panibagong local artist from Naga City. Mga kabisyo, magsakay na kamo, ready na ba kamo, nakiligon asin mag-relapse. Dahil makaiba na po natin ang satuyang duo. Diba? Duo talaga na magpapakilig sa Indo. Mapaan naman ang kulay nindo, mapamistisa man, oo, morena. Sini, hindi to mitolohiya, real na real ito. Makaiba natin si Matthew Luis at Miguel Luis ng Celestial Carabaos. Ayan, nakaway-kaway ka sa mga kabisyo natin dyan.
Hello guys.
Yan. Before anything else, magpabistado muna ka mo as an artist and individual. Yan.
Okay. So, hello guys.
Hello, guys.
My name is Matthew.
And I'm Miguel, and
We are Celestial Carabaos.
Diba? So, fun fact, diba? Magtugang ka mo.
Yes,
yes
po.
po.
Yes. And gusto mo maaraman, paano ba nag-start ang Celestial Carabaos?
Okay. Ang Celestial Carabaos po, interestingly enough, it started as an accident. Dahil po siya pinag-isipan talagang tultul. Siguro that's just who we are as personalities, na parang we just decide in haste na parang, you know what, let's make music.
Yes, tara! Ano yan?
Hindi po, that's actually the story behind Celestial Carabaos is nakita ko si Miguel, gumagawa siya ng music I think sa laptop niya. And I said, well, gumagawa ka rin lang, nagre-record ka lang naman sa laptop mo, tumutugtog naman ako ng keyboard, might as well try writing our own originals.
Yes.
And then from that came Celestial Carabaos po.
Wow, aksidente pero, sige, tara, gibo na kita, arag kaya.
Yep, exactly.
Ang gusto ko maaramay na, ano ba ang inspiration sa pangalan na Celestial Carabaos?
Oh my goodness.
I mean,
There are two, meron pong parang dalawang layers
Sige.
on this when it comes to this question.
Daog niya pa ang layers kang Earth, ano?
Ikaw, ibigay mo yung unang layer.
yung una is just, simple lang po yung una kasi Celestial Carabao. So, Carabao po, na-associate po siya sa Filipino. So, yun lang naman po yung simple explanation with Celestial Carabaos. It sounds Filipino.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, wait lang. Ang camera ta ha. Medyo kabisyo
Oops,
o yan o. Wait lang. Mapapag kita help sa tech. Galat lang. Ayusin ko lang camera ko. Sige, habang inaayos ko ang camera ko, kamo lang nahiling sa camera ko niyan. Yan. Dahil nga ni tunog Filipino.
Yes po.
Ano din si paano din siya market kadto na ay kami ng Celestial Carabaos, paano si decision na ay kami na talaga Celestial Carabaos ang name ni.
Yes po. Kami po is nag-decide kami na magkaigwaning pangaran na would communicate the message itself. So, yung name pong Celestial Carabaos, just to continue yung sagot kanina ni Miguel, yung pong pangalan na Celestial Carabaos kasi is, pag sinabi kasing Carabao, it's like earthly, it's like parang madumi. Parang it's down here. Pero when you combine it with the word celestial, 'di ba celestial is about the stars?
Yes.
It's about the heavens. So parang Celestial Carabaos is about heaven and earth
Yes.
combined. And para sa amin, Celestial Carabaos is that's what we think humans are. We are Celestial Carabaos. We are a combination of heaven and earth. And so, yun yung parang way of marketing namin from our logo, yung pong profile picture namin. We are trying our best in our songs na yun yung ipahiwatig namin na message is we are trying to meditate on humanity itself through our songs po. Yeah.
Wow, since ano siya, medyo hararam talaga ang layers
Yes po.
kaya, di ba? So habang inaayos kang tekang sa tuyang camera dahil nahulog nga ni, gusto ko maaraman din, ever since ba, like, ano ba si inspiration nindo as an artist? Na, example, nagpuon ka mo, aki pa lang, or nasa family ka of musicians, ano ba?
Ikaw.
Well, ako po, I mean, kami po kaya, so, since we were kids, na-expose na po talaga kami sa music, and nakapag-perform na rin po kami, like, as individuals, nagkaroon na rin po kami ng exposure as musicians, but not together. So, this is a first time for us na to play together and to sing together and to share our music. Yeah.
Wow, talaga namang ang inspiration nindo garo. Ano ang mga music inspiration nindo, like mga artist na rason kung taano araw kinang tunog din to?
Oh, that's good. Ikaw, simula ka.
So, different po kasi ang mga inspirations po namin. Pero for me po, my inspirations includes Daniel Caesar, Steve Lacy, Stevie Wonder. Ikaw.
Yeah. So na-mention niya po kasi na parang iba kami ng music taste.
Yes.
Pero what's interesting is they are not sources of contradiction for us.
Yes.
They actually parang complement each other. So yun, Daniel Caesar, Steve Lacy.
Yeah.
Ako kasi medyo old school po ako, like D'Angelo, Prince,
Yes.
like Michael Jackson, and Stevie Wonder as well, like Earth, Wind and Fire. And yun po yung parang mga naging blueprint ng sound namin. And not just the sound as you currently hear them in our songs. Mamaya, maybe we could tease our future releases. Pero yeah, yun po yung mga inspirations namin.
And what's amazing with you guys, kasi nga, iba ang inspiration hindi, iba ang music, influences.
Yes.
Pero, dahil nga ni, connection as brothers, talaga naman na pull off nindo, di ba? Ganyan, ang hapot ko, since nag-start pa lang kamo, paano ba ang Celestial Carabaos? Din, since ang aram ko talaga, nag-boom ka mo dahil sa TikTok. Paano ba naka-help yung TikTok para ma-inspire, as in, mag-release ka mo tuloy-tuloy?
That's a really good question. Kasi, TikTok po kasi helped us create like,
Community.
yeah, a community na even though it's at the moment it's a small community, pero po it helped us connect to other people in ways na hindi namin nagawa through other platforms.
Yeah.
Like through TikTok po meron pong mga nagme-message na sa amin na thank you for releasing that song kasi nakaka-relate ako.
Yes.
Or means may mga nagmamakaawa na please i-release nyo na yon kasi ang mga pinopost namin is snippets lang, parang patikim lang, parang i-release nyo na please. And so TikTok po became parang an essential tool for us to kind of reach not just the local scene but like the national scene, like even non-Bicolanos, non-Nagueños were reached through TikTok po.
Yes, at katulad ng sinabi mo, kasubawa kay mga kabisyo, garo nag-istoryahan man kami na ang audience nito usually mayo sa Bicol.
Yes po, actually, yep.
And how does it feel na nasa luwas ang sa inyong mga fans? Or ano ba siya, pressure at the same time? Ano ba siya?
For me po kasi, it's kind of hard to gain exposure locally kung yung mga audience po namin is outside Naga. So,
Yes.
parang konti lang pong nakaka-recognize ng music namin dito. And medyo mahirap naman pong ma-promote yung music kung konti lang nagsusupport locally.
Yes. Kaya gabangon niya na ang goal is to, to market the local scene. Pero ang mahirap din i-market ang sadiri talaga sa sadiring lugar. May mga bisado kita na kapag baga taga-ibang lugar, usually sinda sa taga-invite, ay yaon man lang kamo, di ba? Araw kayan. Which is sad truth sa mga here in our country, Philippines, di ba? Kapag international, mas susuportahan. Same with us, kung taga-ibang lugar, mas susuportahan lang, excited nga yan, okay, di ba? Ganyan ang hapot ko dahil nga ni gusto ko maaraman any performances ba na very nagtatak sa Indo as a newbie na duo?
Ikaw.
Well, you've mentioned nga po na we're new. We're actually rookies in the industry. And unfortunately po, most of the people that invite us na hindi natutuloy, for whatever reason, hindi siya natutuloy. Yung isang performance namin na natuloy, biglaan pa.
Wow.
Kasi nandun kami sa party na yon and they needed people to perform. And nandun kami, so, okay. Sabi ko sa kanya, oo, wala tayong practice, pero might as well try this for exposure.
Yes.
So, tinry namin yun, and I don't know if we did good. Well, they applauded, so I guess that's
Yes.
yun na yun. I guess.
Claim it, di
Yes
ba?
po. Yeah, so when it comes to performances, we can't say much given nga na wala pa pong masyadong pumukuha sa amin and yeah. So hopefully may kumuha na. Hopefully merong nang mag-book ng Celestial Carabaos.
Yeah.
Book nyo na kami, guys.
Oh, di ba? Book nyo na ang Celestial Carabaos. And gusto ko din maaraman since nabibisado tayo kamo dikit-dikit as a musician na gusto ko outside Celestial Carabaos si Saya kamong duwa.
Wala.
Like any kamo student, ano ba kamo niyan?
So, Miguel outside Celestial Carabaos is just an IT student in Ateneo de Naga.
Wow, IT student.
Ako po fresh grad from Ateneo rin.
Wow, congrats.
Yeah. Basically that's it.
Yeah, di ba?
Opo.
And gusto ko din maaram since kamo magtugang baga, anong relationship niyo as magkapatid? 6 years ang gap niyo, right?
Yes.
Ano pa si relationship niyo? Like nag-iiwal talaga kamo nung bata pa or ano talaga, very kuya
Well,
figure ka, araw kayan?
Well, I think normal naman po na parang,
Yes.
you know, hindi nagkakaroon ng misunderstandings and stuff. And syempre, you have to take into account the fact na the other person would develop his own personality and his own likings. And so you have to be patient with that naman, na you can't just force the other na to be just another version of you na parang duplicate lang. So you have to take that into account. And sabi nga po namin kanina, one of the things na i-manifest yun is through our music taste. Na iba yung music taste namin. So I guess it worked out. Yung differences namin became our strength.
Yes. Any conflicts ba na nangyayari kapag, example, may sarong song ka produce, tapos iba ang gusto kaning approach kang saro, tapos ibang approach kang gusto saro? Or nagmi-meet talaga mo halfway always?
Okay.
I think we have met a compromise for that kasi kunwari if Kuya wrote the song, I would just listen to him whenever sa pag-mix or sa pag-record ng vocals. So, pinapakinggan na lang namin ng isa't isa para we can meet one point para linear lang and parang equal lang yung pag-produce.
Yes.
Yeah, and if I may add, yun rin po yung namin. Yun yung parang, I think the strength of our process.
Yes.
The strength of our process is kung sino yung nag-initiate ng pagsusulat will allow him to lead the way.
Oh.
Like yung pong just an example po, like yung bago naming kantang The Relapse song, it was actually initiated by him. And ako I like the sound of it. I like the sound of it. So ang ginawa ko na lang po is tumulong na lang. So I allowed my brother na siya na lang yung parang mag-lead
Yung
na.
direction
Opo,
na.
yung direction. And ako na lang po kung anong may tutulong ko, then I'll do it. Yun po.
Wow. So, nagko-compromise lang kamo sa kada saro. And
Yep.
since kung si sinagsurat, siya may mas aram kung
Opo.
papaano niyo.
Exactly.
Which is, ang gandang relationship yan. Especially duo kamo.
Opo.
And ganyan, since independent artist ka mo, makonsider natin na since no label and self-producing, right?
Yes po.
Ayan. Any struggle ba sa pag-produce ng kanta at pagluwas ng kanta to public?
Yep. Ako siguro just to ako na lang yung
Aside sa
Mauna.
financial ha. Kaya may lang, sige, confidential, let me
Yep,
know.
opo. Aside from the financial difficulties po, the difficulty po is given yun nga our status as independent artists, mahirap pong magbuo ng parang wala kaming team eh. Wala kaming team that we could parang call forth kung baga
Yes.
to help us in marketing things.
Yeah.
And so it's always a hit or miss po talaga when it comes to our campaigns and our advertisements and our content. Na some things would click to people and some things would not click with people.
Yes.
Kaya yung pong marketing strategy namin, it's always anong mag-work kaya. So
Experimental.
it's very exactly, that's the word that I was looking for. It's very experimental kasi wala po kaming team behind us to help us talaga. So it's always ano kayang magandang gawin? Anong ginagawa ng iba? Gayahin na lang natin. Parang ganun lang po. Yeah. And yun nga po, na-mention mo po kanina na most of our listeners is not from here.
Yeah.
So, just to give, siguro just to make it more specific po, according to Spotify, the city that streams our songs the most is Quezon City
Wow.
sa NCR. And the city or the town that streams the Relapse song the most is Carmona, Cavite, which is so random.
Yes, very random.
Ang napaka-random po, pero we'll take it kasi that's the audience.
Correct.
Pero yun nga po yung parang the negative parang consequence of that is walang nakakakilala sa amin dito so much. So wala
As
ring
of now.
As of
Wow,
now. That's
yeah.
right. So as of now wala pa po nakakilala masyado. And so wala ring masyadong kumukuha dito
Yes.
na magpe-perform or ano. So yeah, yun po yung current struggles namin as indie artists.
Yes, pero imagine, yung power ng TikTok talaga very huge.
Yes.
And nakita ko kayo sa isang TikTok live.
Yes,
Actually,
we remember.
like while scrolling, may nakita akong live stream. Sa mga kabisyo natin dyan, araw ka ng short story lang.
Yep.
Like, nahiling ko sa live stream, tapos nahiling ko, TikTok ko si account kasi nakita ko parang artist. Tapos pagtingin ko, ay, taga-Naga. Okay, why not invite them? And when I listen to your songs, maganda, and yeah, you know.
Yes po, exactly.
So yan, very... So, probably right now, feeling nyo, wala pa sa inyo nakakilala, but let's manifest na ma-cater nyo
Yeah,
ang
let's
local scene.
Yep.
Yan, since grabe nga ang struggle as a local artist, at the same time, self-producing, di ba?
Yes po.
Gusto ko din malaman, ano ba, paano ba yan? Ang family nyo, very supportive, ang friends, like, paano bang relationship nyo with them?
So, you mentioned po family and friends. Our family and friends po, they're very supportive. So, they try their best na maka-help, like, bibigay ng budget.
Wow,
Tapos yung
may
friends po
sponsor.
namin, yung friends po namin, sige lang pong share ng mga tigpo-post namin.
Wow.
Ganyan.
Yep. And yun nga po, yeah, they're very supportive. Yung sa mga kanta namin, yung sa short film namin na nirelease namin, that's an effort of friends and family lang. So shout out, hindi ko alam kung nanonood pa kayo o tulog na kayo guys. Pero shout out sa mga tumulong sa amin. Frankie J, Anika, who is becoming our favorite person in the world.
Wow.
Si Jeff,
My friend.
his friend. So yun po, it's all an effort of a community that loves the art and loves us. Kumbaga, yeah.
Talagang iba talaga yung feeling kapag supportive ang sa indong family and friends. Talagang nakaka-inspire to release songs, to push sa inyong passion.
Yep.
And man yan, later on kaya, pag-ulayin ta ang The Relapse song. Kaya,
Yes.
iwasan na muna yan, di ba? Ano kaya?
Okay, alright.
Ang gusto ko na malaman, ano ba ang mga bagay na gustong ma-experience as an artist ng Celestial Carabaos? Like, minamanifest ninyo this year?
Oh,
Para ma-claim tatulos yan. Ano ba yan?
I have an answer. So, yun nga, di ba? The goal is to make ourselves known in the local scene.
Yes.
And to be honest po, I think that will change soon. I think lalaki yung audience namin locally because something's coming. Let's just put it that way.
Yes.
Something's coming and I think that would be a great tool to expand our audience here.
So, may dapat kaming abangan?
Yes po,
Wow.
absolutely. Yes po.
So, may patis na tulosin na, may releasin na bago, tapos may patis tulos.
Yes po.
And gusto ko din malaman, since sinabi mo nga may dapat abangan and may plano ka mo sa inyong artistry na makikater ang local scene here, di ba? Gusto ko din kapag ka mo ba nagpo-perform, paano ba din taga-explain sa tao kung sisi ang Celestial Carabaos, ang genre nindo, ang style nindo? May specific style ba ka mo na masasabi?
Okay, sure. Ako ulit. Well, kung babasahin nyo po yung bio namin sa
Yes.
Spotify, yun isa sa mga tinry naming i-emphasize dun sa bio namin is we are an experimental band or group or duo.
Yes.
That baka nagtataka yung iba po na parang I've heard their songs. I don't think they're experimental enough. And you know, we would concede that. We would concede na so far yung mga nilalabas namin medyo pop pa yung parang yung tunog niya and yung style niya. Pero I guess ang masasabi na lang namin is we promise na we will become a little bit more experimental in the future. So yun po yung parang ano namin is yung gusto naming identity ng Celestial Carabaos is flexible, parang hindi siya stuck into one single sound.
And willing mag-risk.
Yes po, exactly.
Diba? Talaga namang aram na iling ang Celestial Carabaos is very open sa mga changes sa indang music style.
Yes.
As in sa indang future na i-release. So, ganyan, gusto ko maaraman, isa ba digdi sa local scene ang sindong ina-idolize? Like, kahit sa Philippines lugod, para mas madali, tapos sa kita mag-Bicol.
Okay, meron ka ba?
Ako sa Philippines, siguro, Ben and Ben or
Ben and
Adi.
Ben, yes.
Yeah. Tapos, yeah, I think that's it sa Philippines.
Yeah. I guess same rin naman po. Pero, like I said a while ago, medyo old school ako. And kung meron akong pinapakinggan na Filipino artist, oh man, Gary Valenciano, Martin Nievera.
Yes.
And siguro po locally,
Mga icons talaga.
opo. And siguro po kung merong local man, I guess, Diwata still counts as a local
Yes.
artist, di ba? Kasi dito naman siya galing. Yeah, Tothappy as well. And, sino pa ba? Yeah, I guess,
EJ Clark.
oh, EJ Clark.
Yes, EJ Clark. Si
obviously.
Papa mo.
Yep, magtubod ka kay Papa mo.
Diba?
Collab tayo, Brad.
Yes.
Sheesh! Shoot my shot, dog.
Diba? Tama, malay mo.
Yun po, yeah.
And actually ngunyan, uga kitang another segment, since nabibisado mo na ikamo, uga kitang second segment mga kabisyo, yun ang inapot ang nakakalove, nakakaloka. Meron tayo dyang pluckers na binigay ako sa inyo kanina, which is, fast talk natin. Agree or disagree, nakakalove or nakakaloka, di ba? Sa nakalove o nakakaloka, bahala ka mo kung explainin bahala ka mo kung habonin explain, basta, simbagunido ang hapon. Ayan, ready na ba ang Celestial Carabaos?
Let's go.
Ayan na. O gapati ko din yung list of nakakalove, nakakaloka. O yan na. Nakalove or nakakaloka, mas importante ang authenticity kesa sa pagiging mainstream. Nakakalove or nakakaloka? Nakakalove.
Yep, nakakalove. Siyempre, kasi kung if you sacrifice your authenticity, like, nawawala yung kaluluwa ng art. I think
Yes.
that's for me. Yeah,
Yeah.
That would be my
I
answer.
would agree with that.
Okay, gusto ko maraman na, ano ba ang Celestial Carabaos? Ito nga raw specific na image or kapag sinabi Celestial Carabaos, arog tulos ka na gusto nyo ma-imaginein ka?
That's a great question. Yun nga. I think kung meron man pong isang image, I think it's the heart.
Heart.
Like the human heart. Yeah.
Yan. At least tapos sa logo nindo, napapansin ko, nagbabago sinasapayo.
Yeah.
Diba? No, diba? Iconic yan.
Ikaw po yung pinakaunang nag-point out niyan sa amin.
O, diba? O, ibig sabihin, nagdadalan ako, naghihiling ako, diba?
Exactly, you know?
Feeling ko maging consistent na to, diba? Nagpapalit na sinasapayo
Opo.
gatong statue. O yan, nakaka-love or nakakaloka, kay puhan mag-viral para maging successful. Nakaka-love or nakakaloka?
Oh, that's a good
Wait.
one. Wait. Pwede bang parang
Yan,
ganito?
pwede yan.
Parang ganito.
Yan,
Sige
50-50.
po.
Sige. Care to explain?
Yeah, why?
Kasi, my definition of successful sa music, pag hindi ka nag-viral, hindi ka makikilala ng mga tao. So, hindi ma-expose yung music mo to a lot of people. So,
Yeah.
not
Tama.
It's a valid take
Yes.
naman. Yeah. So ganito. So I guess it depends po kung anong how we define the word success
Yeah.
or successful.
Yes.
So yeah, I guess in terms of marketing and putting it out there, I guess you will be successful if more
You go
people know
viral.
you if you go
Yeah.
viral.
Correct, more streams, more money. Di ba?
Well, yeah, that's the truth. That's
Be,
just the
be
truth.
realistic,
Yeah,
di ba?
Exactly.
Tama
Exactly.
man. Tapos, syempre, pag sa YouTube, kapag kadakol views, kadakol din, monetize. Ayan, nakakalove or nakakaloka. Talo ng talent ang may connection.
Talo ng talent ang may connection. That's oh my goodness, that's great. Pwedeng ganun ulit.
Sige.
Kasi po kasi I don't think naman na they are contrary to each other
Yes.
naman po. I think if you have the talent, your connections will improve that.
Yes.
So I would say na the talent that you have, it's good to just take a risk and introduce yourself to people
Yes.
para naman malaman nila at malaman rin ng mga kakilala nila na there's a project, there's this new like group in town that makes this
Yes.
music. So para sa akin yun po na parang connections and talent, I think why not both?
Correct. Why not both? Kung kaya man sana, di ba?
Yes po.
O yan, nakakalove or nakakaloka. Okay lang arugo ng trend para sumikat.
Oh, absolutely.
Nakakalove.
Absolutely okay.
Di ba? Makikisabay kita.
Apo,
Pero make it your own.
yes,
di ba?
absolutely. Kasi po, if you really want people to know you, then you use that as parang yun, the hook. The hook of yung what's trendy is your hook. So,
Correct. If it works, then congrats, di ba? Ayan, nakakalove or nakakaloka. Mas hararom ang OPM songs kesa sa Western songs. Hatig!
Oh my goodness.
okay.
Ikaw.
Okay.
Feel ko.
Sige, to avoid controversy, ano na lang.
Nakakalove.
Team OPM na lang. What makes the question hard is like just a few days ago, kami ni Anika, we were talking about like Stevie Wonder's lyrics
Yes.
and how profound Stevie Wonder writes his lyrics. And so now hearing that question na parang okay, compare it to yung mga kundima natin o yung mga sikat na senti songs ng OPM. Kaya nilang makakompete, I think.
Yes.
Kaya nilang makakompete. So I'll just say nakakalove.
Yes.
Yeah.
How about you?
I think ang mas natatouch siguro ang Filipino sa OPM na yung mga sad, o yung mga yung mga na-mention ni Kuya kasi yung lyrics niya so Tagalog, so mas
Tagos
mafe-feel-
sa atin, oo.
Mafe-feel mo siya.
Kasi naintindihan. O, di ba?
Yup.
Which is make sense talaga. Tagos-tagos sa to yung OPM dahil naintindihan lang natin, di ba? O yan, nakakalove or mansala, digdi mo yung tamang simbahaga.
Okay.
Nakakalove or nakakaloka, nape-pressure sa comparison with other artists.
Tayo, nape-pressure.
I don't think so, man.
No.
Wow.
If anything else po, we
Motivation.
are honored to be compared to the greats. Kasi there's this random commenter sa TikTok na we were compared to Leve.
Wow.
Kasi yung style ng Morena, which was really weird to us kasi no one compared us to Leve before. Pero we'll take it. We'll take it. Yeah.
Ayan, nakakalove or nakakaloka. Open for collaboration.
Absolutely. Come on
Yes.
now. Come on now. Come on.
Diba? Sisay-sisay yan mga collaboration na gusto nindo. I-manifest na yan,
Big
diba?
ones.
The big ones, yeah. Kung meron ka bang specific?
Siguro yung mga sikat dito na local artists like sila Papa Mo.
Yes.
CJ Clarks, yeah.
Tot
Sure.
Happy, Iwata.
And you know what would be challenging is if we go into the world of yung parang mainstream pop rin na. Naging guest nyo po yung Aurora dito, di ba? Like,
Yes.
wouldn't it be great if Celestial Carabaos tried to have that kind of sound with them? Like, who knows?
For girl groups, diba?
I'm just saying.
Yes, why not?
Experimental.
Talaga. Talagang ikakaryo no pagiging experimental,
Yes.
di ba? Actually, ang ganda nun, ha?
Yeah.
Nakakalove or nakakaloka. Cancel culture affects creativity.
I don't know about
that's-
that.
Cancel culture affects I guess to a certain interesting.
Ayan, 50-50. Okay.
Alright, okay, sige, ikaw muna.
Wait, but don't let anyone affect your creativity
Yes.
kasi you should be you.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? Sige, I'll change my mind. Okay? Yeah, I understand na the pressure to be in conformity with kung anong demand ngayon ng culture is it's a great pressure. Pero yeah, I think I would agree with that na I think all good messages deserve a platform naman.
Yes.
So, hindi na kasalanan ng cancel culture yun kung matatakot ka. I think
Yeah.
I think we should all have the courage as artists, as people na just to say what we want to say as long as you know na this could contribute to the conversations that are happening in public. Yeah.
Yes.
Para sa akin po.
And maganda din na yan hot take nga niyan is dahil ang purpose ng art is to thought provoke.
Exactly.
Right, 'di ba? Which is a good thing to think about talaga.
Yep.
Yan, nakakalove or nakakaloka, mas importante ang message kesa sa tunog.
Okay.
Message kesa sa tunog.
Message kesa sa tunog. Okay. Ganito ulit. Well, ang rami ko ng ganitong sagot eh.
Okay lang.
Kasi naniniwala ako na the form of the song is not against or is not contrary to the content of the song. I think if you want to make it na parang if you want to parang tumatakbo yung message,
Yes.
then go ahead, make it catchy.
Yes.
Yeah, make it
Relapse
catchy.
song.
Exactly, the relapse song. Exactly. And
Vibe yung
ang pumapasok sa
instrumental.
exactly. Ang pumapasok sa isip ko is based on my research, 'di ba? Like black artists in America would use funk music to critique like the president. They would critique yung racism
Yes.
and use funk music. Like imagine niyo na parang na
Nakiki-jump
it's about civil rights pero
Upbeat.
it's like
Yes.
upbeat. Pero that's the strategy po is
Correct.
to use the form of the song to give away the content of the song. So yeah.
Yeah. Ayan, actually yan. Totoo. Nakaka-love or nakakaloka? Art is political.
I mean, could be.
I guess okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
I guess I'll say yes. Ikaw, why do you think so?
I think anything can be political if you connect it.
Yes.
Yeah.
I've been sa totoo lang pa I've been thinking about the question na is every art political? And ang masasagot ko na lang is when you listen to Celestial Carabaos, you are listening to what I would consider like pre-political concepts.
Yes.
Pre-political. What I mean by that is I think we're singing about concepts na everyone should presuppose before specifying your political affiliations. So, in other words, we are trying to articulate universal principles na it doesn't matter where you are in the spectrum ng politics. What we are saying as Celestial Carabaos is at least we should agree on this, right? So, yun yung sinasabi namin, I think. Yeah,
Ayan. So, everything is political nga, di ba?
yeah to a certain extent. Yeah.
Ayan. Nakaka-love or nakakaloka? AI music.
Yeah, man. Dog. Kasi
Yes.
ako talaga, just to share a story po, no? Nung nag-internship ako last semester before I graduated, like, pag nagla-lunch kami ng mga kasama ko, laging AI yung pinapatugtog ng karinderya.
Oo.
Hindi ko napapangalanan yung karinderya.
Oh, day na yan.
Pero laging AI po, and what makes it disturbing is it's obviously not coming from someone with a story.
Yeah.
It's obviously not coming from someone na may kaluluwa. Kaya parang it's ruled it's ruled by machinery, it's ruled by hindi ko na nararamdaman yung puso ng gumagawa. So that's my main critique of AI music. Yeah.
Same with me.
Okay. At saka imagine din na well compensated ang mga local artists natin. Tapos papalitan mo pa ng AI music, di ba?
Yeah, exactly.
Ayan, sa nakaka-love, last na niyo.
Yes po, okay.
Nakaka-love or nakakaloka mag-perform sa Sarong Music Festival.
Are you freaking kidding me? Come on now, dog. Of course. So, ikaw muna.
So, pangarap po namin yan since nung nanood po kami nung Camsor, I think,
Yeah.
na-inspire po kami na we should be there too. And
Yeah.
I think we can be there soon.
Yeah, exactly. Sisigunduhan ko po yung sinabi ni Miguel kasi when we watched yung day 3 ba yun ng
Yeah,
ng,
day
ng music
Yes.
festival. Sa totoo lang po maybe I'm delusional. Maybe I'm
yan.
maybe I'm cocky, too cocky. Pero I remember thinking to myself like Celestial Carabaos belongs at the center stage.
Yeah.
I think we could provide a type of music that they've never heard before. I'm
Yan.
positive. Yeah.
Claim it.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Diba? Imagine, day 3, diba yan yung sa, yaon dyan ang Orange and Lemons.
Apo,
Yeah,
apo.
diba? Nadalagkawan to. Yan, since tapos kita sa nakaka-love, nakakaloka, and naaraman ta sinda kung ano tiga-agreehan and disagree mga kabisyo. Ngunit yan, yaon na kita sa last part kang segment. Pero halawig man ginaray ni. Gusto ta maaraman na ining recent nindong release. Tungkol sa ba ni at anong title kang recent nindong release?
So, the title ng recent release namin is The Relapse Song. It's about someone na had a relationship before, tapos matagal na yung nangyari yung relationship, nag-end na yun. Pero somehow, natatandaan niya pa and parang gusto niya pa ulit ma-feel yun.
Bumabalik.
Yes po. And you know there are songs about breakups and heartbreak.
Yes.
There are songs there are happy songs na naka-move on na. Why are there not enough songs about the middle part of it, of the process?
Yes.
Na parang okay na normally pero binabagabag pa rin ng dati, as the song says. Yeah. So yun po, we are trying to capture the middle stage of the process of moving on.
Correct.
Yes po.
Tapos, sa ibang naghugot niyo, like, inibang story na ni ay based on a specific story,
Oh my
experience,
goodness.
or what?
May sagot ka ba?
Not really, pero yun yung naiisip ko whenever I hear yung ginawa naming instrumental. Like,
Wow.
magko-contradict yung
Yeah.
parang outside sa what's the message, what's
Yes.
inside.
Actually, now that you've mentioned it, naalala ko yung the very first day we tried to write the lyrics of the Relapse Song. Actually, we wrote it po March 25, the same day na nirelease yung EP namin. Yung first EP namin, yung Pedagogy of Desire. And yun yung sinabi niya, I remember that. Sabi mo na parang, kung meron man tayong lyrics dito, I want it to contradict the groove of the song. Kasi yung groove ng song is a little, parang happy,
Yes, yes.
groovy. And sabi niya, I want the lyrics to be mellow. And ang naging basihan natin yun is, nung kanta na yun, is yung kantang Bluer Than Blue.
Yeah.
Like, ano nga, I really should be glad, but I'm bluer than blue. Parang there's a contrast between the verses and the chorus.
Yeah.
Kaya sabi ko, why not try that and then parang itagalog na lang if gawing Filipino yung perspective. And
Yeah.
so, the Relapse Song was born.
Wow. Ngunyan, gusto rin malaman, since ang process ka ni creative process, halawig, dahil ugangan ka mong short film.
Yep.
Paano ba siya? Gaano katagal yung paggawa ng song, and gaano katagal din yung shooting? And pag-resource ng mga kapon meaning actors, kapon meaning photographers, videographers, stuff
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah,
Kwentuhan nyo kami.
Yeah, how much time we have? How much time? Kasi it's a really good story, I think. It's a good story of just trusting the process. Gusto mong ikaw mauna or?
Sige na.
Okay, sure. So ano po, as far as I can remember, yung pong meron na ako talagang naiisip personally. Meron na akong na-imagine sa isip ko po na I wanted to create like a music video or a film about
Yes.
it wherein yung bida is hallucinating someone.
Wow.
Or
yeah.
Multo ba yun? Panaginip lang. Who knows? Pero the person is not there. Parang it's always been on my mind and I'm really thankful na when I presented that to if you've seen the short film, if you haven't yet, please watch the short
Yes,
film,
watch it.
please. So I
May
present
spoiler na, spoiler alert.
yeah. I presented that concept obviously kay Miguel. And then I presented also that concept dun sa pamangkin namin / cousin, which is Anika. And Anika is actually the lead actress
Wow.
of that short film. And she was enthusiastic about it. And later on, in-approach namin yung director and editor namin, Xavier, also a musician. Hello,
Wow.
Xavier. What's up, man? Si Xavier, sabi namin, meron kaming inaisip na music video or short film. And on the spot, sabi niya, yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Sabi niya. So, yun po. And yun pong process ng pag-make ng short film became, it's an experience wherein everything just fell into the right place po. Like, dumating yung mga tamang tao. So, I've already mentioned yung team, si Frankie G and the rest of the team, na sila po yung nag-make up, sila po yung nag-provide ng cinematographer, director of photography.
Wow.
And everything was for free. Ang ano lang po namin is pinakain lang namin sila at nag-provide lang kami ng service. But they were into it. They were doing it for the sake of the art.
Yes, for the art.
Opo. And we did it in 2 days po. So
Yeah.
it was really quick but it was really full. So para sa amin, that was the parang just the genius of the people behind it. And we cannot take credit for everything.
Yeah.
Kasi everyone really worked hard for it. So yeah, and the final product is now available on YouTube.
Kaya dapat talaga dalanon tayan dahil nga ni grabing effort ang tigluwas ka mga tao behind and of course
Exactly.
the artist.
Yep.
Yan, ang gusto ko din marami sa Daryl Lap song. Ano ba ang correlation ng orange sa story? Orange.
That's really good. Ikaw, may sagot ka?
And bakit orange ang sinapili nindo?
Actually po, we cannot take credit in thinking about that. I remember when we were meeting sa Starbucks, when we were meeting in we were thinking about the initial concepts ng ng kanta. Anika suggested na what if meron tayong MacGuffin for the film? Like what if meron tayong recurring object sa film? And
Yeah.
naisip niya is orange. And ako naman, I didn't know na yung Charmaine pala was a trend.
Yeah, Charmaine was a trend.
I'm really ignorant when it comes po sa mga trends na yan. So I didn't know that was a trend. And I realized na actually that's a really good way to expose the film is to use yung bagay na yun, yung Charmaine, yung orange, to use it as a recurring parang object that would connect the characters to each other. Na okay, that's their favorite parang snack to eat, Charmaine, parang ganon. And merong attachment, spoiler alert, merong attachment yung isang character kasi yung Charmaine reminds him of his past. Yeah, played by Jeffrey Pimentel Jr. Yeah, let's go. So yun po na so yeah, unfortunately we cannot say much about it kasi it's not our idea.
Yeah.
So but shout out to Anika again kasi siya yung nakapag-isip.
Yes,
Yeah.
mga utak sa likod ng pelikula nindo. Yan, dahil nga ni sinabi nindo, ining Daryl Lap song is something talaga na very experimental sa Indo. Ngunyan na, ano ba ang dapat ming abangan sa Celestial Carabaos?
There is a future.
Wow!
So, sa end po ng music video, may nakasabi doon, to be continued. So,
Wow!
may part 2 pa yung Daryl Lap song.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly. So, yes, sabi nga kanina na meron pa siyang continuation. So, it's not a one and done story. And that would come out soon with a new song, with a new short film, actually. And besides that, we would release other songs. And sabihin na ba natin? Like we are trying our best to target po yung first quarter of 2027 to release a full-length album.
Wow!
Release a full-length album, yep.
And ini gusto ko maaraman talaga. Since kadakol kami dapat abangan sa Celestial Carabaos, may dapat ba kaming abangan na Bicol song from Celestial Carabaos?
Okay. Alright.
Alam, makapot lang ko, alad. Okay.
Okay,
Sige
good. I can neither confirm nor deny na magkakaigo kami ng Bicol song. that's all you can get from now.
Okay, yan. Okay, mayong teaser. Abangan ta na lang. Yan, bago pala kita matapos, tigdi sa live stream natin, imbitahan nito sila sa inyong mga social media accounts as in stream ang sa inyong music sa gabos na music platforms. Sa mga kabisyo natin.
Alright, once again, we are Celestial Carabaos. Please stream our songs. Please follow us on our social media accounts. Celestial Carabaos. Just search Celestial Carabaos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as well. Kasi doon sa YouTube, doon namin nilalagay yung mga short films namin. So, if you want to stay updated sa mga releases namin for our videos and for our films, go to our YouTube. Yes, Celestial_Carabaos, diba? Sa IG.
On IG.
Celestial.Carabaos sa TikTok. And sa Facebook po, just search the name Celestial Carabaos and we will appear.
And ang Daryl Up song.
Yes, as mentioned a while ago, we just released a new single. The title is The Relapse Song. Para sa lahat ng mga nagtatry na mag-move on dyan, sa mga nagtatry na kalimutan yung nakaraan, pero...
Mag-usad.
Yep, yung mga nagtatry umusad, pero hindi pa rin nakakausad ng masyado. This is for you. The song is for you. So please, stream and enjoy. And watch the short film.
Yes.
The Relapse Song, the short film. Directed and edited by Xavier Janamanse.
Yan, pasalamatan nito mga kabisyo natin or mga gusto niyo pasalamatan sa live stream natin.
Yes po, I'll just go first kasi nandito na yung mic. I would like to thank all our listeners right now, our friends and family who are supporting us, who are listening right now. Pasalamatan na rin namin yung mga listeners namin, yung mga nanunood sa amin, yung mga followers namin. Once again, shout out to yung mga tumulong sa amin, the crew behind the short film. And yun lang naman, ikaw.
Yeah, I would also like to personally thank our listeners, tapos yung crew for helping us build the Relapse Song. Tapos I would also like to thank my friends kasi grabe yung support nila, grabe kayo mag-share. So, thank you.
Yep. Dagdag ko lang, yes. Thank you to Miguel's friends in particular. Guys, I'm very grateful rin personally for your help. Yep.
Ayan, i-shoutout na muna mga viewers natin kila Maricon Antero, kila J. Mark Tolentino Dacpano, Vidal Maralid, Anika Jade Maralid Alday, Mary Jane Remoto, Madel Maralid, Anika Jade Maralid Alday, at Kenneth Antero. Yan mga kabisyo, maraming salamat. Pero bago kita magtapos, gusto ko lamang ibitan ka mo dahil diretso kita sa radyo right after this para makipagkwentuhan ulit sa Celestial Carabaos, yan, bago kita mag-end, gusto ko maghalisino, kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic! Yan, si tagline, sige nga.
Alright, kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic.
Ulit, take two. Gusto ko energy ka mong doon.
Alright, kaming dalawa sabay?
Yes.
Or sagutan na lang.
Sige.
Alright, okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Basic!
Yes! Yes, muna yung mga kabisyo, ini ang Love Local na kaiba natin ang Celestial Carabaos at diretso kita sa live stream, sa radyo. Yan. Muli ini ang si DJ Pikachu, ang sinapaboritong Gen Z DJs na pink na kabongga, pinakamakulit, in pink na ka-pink. Pikachu! Yan ang kabisyo, paalam, maraming salamat. Yan, kaway, kita ko kayo sa camera. Bye-bye!
Thank you guys.